Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look now at coal market. So in coal market, mostly the same story in euro. I mean that the euro is starting with the active motion across the board, not only on the forex market but on the gold as well. So initially, as I said in today's euro video, that I thought maybe not prepared the updates the first trading session, because usually as a rule it's nothing to talk about, but this time it's a bit different. And this performance that we see, it's important for making the decision on the position taken, as we have discussed in the weekly report, because as we agreed to take a look on the performance on intraday charts to make the decision whether this possible downside ABCD or market could start upward action immediately, or at least retracement will be really limited here. And now it seems that gold is standing on the second scenario, which is because, as we shared in today in Telegram channel, some important political events has happened in this weekend. First of all, the statement of the Xi Jinping, who said concerning who was talking about the reunion with the Taiwan. And as you know, the elections in Taiwan is coming on the 13th of the January, is very soon. Second moment is some escalation in the Red Sea once again, and Iran already have sent the warship to the Red Sea, which is indicates the new scale of the escalation there. Finally, today the BRICS has increased for another 5 members, and all these members have the access to the Red Sea. We have put this in the Telegram, so you could see the map. You could see why this is really important for the current geopolitical situation in the region. And on this background, you could see that gold has shown this upward action, although it is not really significant right now, but still this is important for intraday performance. Additionally, you could see what has happened on the Bitcoin. So yesterday we just talked about the possible upward continuation, and once we have prepared the update, Bitcoin has shown a really significant rally right to the 45 area. This is not only on the background of some anticipation of the ETF, but I suppose that some response on the geopolitical situation as well. So on the gold market right now, we could see that the price in general stands around the same resistance, but intraday performance has changed. So on the 4-time frame chart, you could see the market touch the neckline and now starting upward action. Here's one important thing, that although the scale seems very small, but here we have the bullish reversal swing. So here's upward action is greater than the previous swing down. And take a look here. If you remember, previously we have discussed the flag consolidation. Right now market is breaking up above this flag, which is also might be the bullish, and this is very typical for bullish reversal action. So very often reversals happens right in this way. So the one thing that we need to keep an eye on is take a look. This possible grabber might be formed based on MACD. So we have plot here the MACD predictor. You will see that price right now is flirting with this indicator, and if it will appear in this case, maybe gold keep chances on a possible drop to the 2050, as we said, and completion the XOP. But at the same time, I wouldn't ignore the chances for a possible upward action right from this area, because if we take a look at the hourly chart, here's what's going on actually. Market, after completion of the OP, we thought that probably it will go a bit lower to the XOP based on the performance that was on Friday before the holidays. But take a look, today opening gap has been closed, the market immediately starts upward action. Well, in this performance, if we wouldn't have any potential grabber on the 4-time frame chart, and if it will not be formed, I think that chance for considering taking long positions here is possible. First of all, because market could just not go to the XOP. And second, here we have nice potential pattern, possible hand and shoulders, which let us to take the position very small risk. So if we get the right arm around 2070, 2066, 2065 area, so that's the area that we could consider for possible taking the position. And in this case, we do not need to place stop below the lows or below the XOP. This is necessary only if you trade on a daily chart. And you would like to protect your position with the stops below the confluence. In this case, yes, if you trade on the higher time frames, it would be better to place stop somewhere below this area. But if you take the position based on particular pattern, which is a hand shorts, you could hide your stop just below the right arm once it will be formed. And so it will be very small risk, but potentially we'll get really good position that probably could lead us for immediate upward continuation. Yes, here is some risk. We're paying for it, trying to actually take the position on the moment of the reversal based on the pattern, rather than waiting when the market will just take it out of the stop and then trying to step in on some retracement. Here is risk a bit greater, but potential loss is very small, and risk reward here will be attractive if we will get this situation. Next moment here is also important, as on the daily chart of the euro currency as here. Let's take a look. If market will spend some time in a flat performance for a few sessions, on the daily chart we also could get the bullish grabber, as on the euro currency as we discussed today. So if it will be formed, that's great. So it will be additional assistance to the context that we have, additional background. So here's a few moments to keep an eye on. But for today's session, I suppose the most important will be the hand shoulders shape here, and as soon as market will appear around this area, we could start thinking about possible position taking if everything will be okay.